Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May Mintah. If you don't know, now you know. So before you watch this video, do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so whenever I post a video, you know. Okay, so today we're coming with another review. As I said in my previous video, Revolution Beauty, they don't play. They do not play, especially for us, you know, dark skinned chocolate women. We need brands that cater to us. Like, it's so important, and I do have to say that Revolution Beauty is one of them. So today we are reviewing their new bronzer, the Revolution Glow Bronzer. So I just got one, and I got the one in dark. I'm just gonna give you some information about the product first. It's a large matte bronzer. It's used for face and body bronzing, and it's available in 6 shades: light, medium, medium dark, dark, deep, and deep dark, with an added coconut and pineapple fragrance. It smells like summer. It's cruelty and vegan free. Well, cruelty free and vegan, I think it's the same thing. So yeah, that's really nice. I just got one shade. I got the shade in dark. I tried to guess what shade was really good for me, and based on 2 reviews that I've watched, I got the shade dark. The thing is, I will compare it a bit to the bronzer that they launched a while back. This is from Revolution Pro, and the color I got in this is in Enrobe. So I will give you like a side-by-side. So if you do want to buy their bronzer, not two from this one, you can also get the one from Revolution Pro as well. And of course, I want you to understand it's a bronzer and not necessarily a contour. I also will show you a swatch of my contour palette that I always use from the one with Patricia Bright in the color, well, in the shade Dusk Till Dawn. This is what I always use to contour, so I will just do some swatches so you can see side by side how those colors are on me. I will leave my foundation reference from Makeup Revolution in the description box so you also know what shade will be best for you to buy. So first, let's start with the packaging. It's really nice in this gold, rose gold type of shade. It's so transparent, like I can see myself in this like a mirror, but of course not exactly a real mirror. In the back you get the information. So it says Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer, and in the shade dark, of course. So this is really, it's huge. Like for a bronzer, this is so huge. So once you open it, let's open it. Oh, there's this plastic on it that covers it. So it says that it has like a pineapple fragrance, so let's just see if that's really true. Guys, it actually smells like coconut and pineapple. It smells like a pina colada. Is that how you pronounce it? Please don't come for me. Oh my god, guys, this smells amazing. This is so addictive for me. So this is how it looks, really warm. It's like a warm bronzer, and I think for every bronzer for like a dark skinned girl, it's really important that it's, you know, a bit warm. I feel like it's really, really important. So to just compare it with the other one, this is in the shade Enrobe from Revolution Pro. This is how it looks. Let me show you side by side. So side by side, this is how these colors look. They're kind of similar, but we'll see once I swatch them on my arm. I think I'm gonna be a fan of the Revolution Glow one more of this one. I'm not sure. We're gonna see how it swatches on my arm. So these are the swatches on my arm. I tried to swatch it half on my lighter shade and my, you know, main complexion shade so you can see the difference. So this is the first color from the Revolution Glow in the color dark. The next one is the Revolution Pro one in Enrobe, and the last one is the contour shade from the Dusk Till Dawn Revolution with Patricia Bright palette. So if I look at them, I would say that the first two actually are really similar, to be honest. They're very warmish, but I feel like Enrobe still has like a little of a purple hue to it. I don't know, or it's a bit cooler. And of course, from the contour palette is way more cool than the first one. So yeah, these are the swatches. So obviously I haven't put any contour, no bronzer on my face. I just look very flat, and I want to create some warmth in my face, and hopefully these bronzers can do that for me. I am not going to use the Revolution with Patricia Bright one because I always use that as my contour. And if you do want to see a video for reference and you know how it looks, just click on this thing right here. I'm gonna put the link, or just in my previous video you can see it too. So I'm gonna test the Revolution Glow one and the Revolution Pro one on my face. So this is the Revolution Glow one. I'm just gonna dip in with my brush. This thing is so, I don't know if you can see that. You guys don't have to see my messy table. Oh my god, that is the downside of having a big mirror. So first of all, there's a lot of product coming on the brush. Like, it has like fallout, but it's not like bad fallout. That means that it's going to be pigmented. I don't understand why I keep digging into my product. Like, so just tap off the excess and let's see. Yes. Yeah. Oh yes, for sure. Guys, if you're gonna come for my wig, listen, crisis, I'm not doing my wig perfectly because, honey, I ain't going nowhere besides YouTube. Okay guys, this bronzer, yes, it's a yes for me. Like, I have nothing to say. I prefer colors like this than actual contour. Like, I prefer contouring with these type of colors. It just brings that warmth into my face that I always love. Oh yes, honey. The reason why I know that this bronzer is going to be one of my favorite drugstore bronzers is because most drugstore bronzers, they come with shimmer in it. They're like forcing the sun-kissed type of look on you with putting shimmer in it, and I just don't feel that. And this just does what a bronzer needs to do, okay? And it smells amazing. Oh, it reminds me of going on holiday. Oh, man, I actually need to go on holiday. I wouldn't go for a darker shade because that's contouring for me, and sometimes I just don't feel like having that really harsh contour kind of neutral dark look on my face. I just don't like it. So this is really good. Oh, this is gonna be one of my faves. So now we're gonna test the Enrobe shade on my face, and let's see side by side how it looks. First things first, I'm dipping in my brush in the pan, and there's not a lot of fallout coming out, which is really great. I can see that the brush is taking up the product, which is great, but I'll still, like, you know, remove the excess because I've dipped in a few times. Oh, this is too bad it doesn't smell like pineapples. Okay, so here we go. It's kind of like the same thing. This one is kind of the same thing, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm trying to figure out if there's really a difference. By the way, guys, this is £9, the Revolution Pro one, and the other one is £8, so it's just £1 different. This one seems more red. I don't know, I think that's the difference, but I love it. I love both of them. So guys, it's up to you what you prefer. I'm gonna see if I can bring you up closer so you can see. This is how the Revolution Glow looks like. I put on extra bronzer so you guys can see the difference, do you understand? And this is the Revolution Pro bronzer. So it's up to you to decide what you like. I like both of them. For me, there's no difference. I just know that I'm gonna take the Revolution Glow more because it smells good, and I know that's a really stupid way to pick a product, but that's just me, okay? So just one more look for the difference. This is Dark Revolution Glow, and this is Enrobe Revolution Pro. Okay, so what are my final thoughts of this product? This product is amazing. Like, you need to buy Revolution Glow because it smells really great. It does what it does. Like, it's a bronzer, it's not a contour. It warms up your face. I've never tried Mocha Mommy from Fenty, however they've been comparing it to that. So if you're not willing to spend a lot of money on Fenty Beauty, then you can always buy this or the Enrobe one as a dupe. I just want to tell all my fellow dark skinned ladies, like, buy from these type of brands. Like, they respect us, they care about us. Shout out to the girls who are actually behind this, because I've been seeing them trending on Twitter. I follow one on Instagram. Her Instagram name is Afro Glory, so thank you to her. And the other girl, I don't know her name, but I'll put it in the description box or somewhere on the screen. And guys, yes, my answer is just yes. That's just it. These bronzers are May approved, okay? Guys, thank you for watching. If you do want me to keep on reviewing products, just let me know. Shout out to Revolution Beauty. You guys are the best. Like, keep on, you know, bringing out new products. You guys be stealing my money, but it's all good. I'm still gonna buy, because sadly enough, that's what I do. I'm addicted to makeup. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in my next one. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I really appreciate you guys for always watching my videos, and see you on the next one. Bye.